Hello everybody, and welcome to a new series, hopefully, Indigo Park. Got recommended this game by, once again, my awesome brother. He is always looking for stuff for me to play. I love that. I'm too lazy. This game looks hella good, y'all. So we're just gonna jump into it. I don't know what this is. A bird, I think. Something, I don't know. Don't like it. So we're gonna jump right in. New game. Override. Yeah, because we don't have a new game. Alright, let's see. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. So cute. Indigo Park.
For all who journey to this newfound paradise, we welcome you. Indigo Park offers a slice of the American dream to call your own. In this place, echoes of days gone are brought back to life as a new generation captures a glimpse of the exciting potential of tomorrow. Indigo Park pays homage to the values, dreams, and unwavering...
Wow, okay, that's like really good. I thought that was an actual like recording of a person. Ooh, okay. Hell yeah, beat drop, let's do it. Mollie Macaw. Oh, they're talking about going to Indigo Park. Local Park sudden closure. Oh. Oh, driving into it. Oh my god, I want. I'm gonna buy that. Wow, okay. That's amazing. Chapter 1, Birds of a Feather. Okay, so, yeah, I don't like that. Oh my gosh. Alright. Oh, we are in it. We're in it to win it. Okay. Oh, F turns on and off our flashlight. We're keeping this bitch on, yo, because I said so. I'm scared. This is beautiful. Holy crap, you guys. Oh, excuse me. My god. Wow. Look at all this trash everywhere. Oh. Oh. Found a collectible. Okay. So I can find stuff? Oh, excuse me again. I don't know what is wrong with me. Well, I thought it was a pair of pants. I was going to be like, oh my god. Lots of trashola everywhere. Okay. We can kind of jump, sort of, kind of. Why the spooky music? I don't like that. Can't really see nothing. Nostalgia. Yes, definitely. Alright, I guess we'll go in. Hello? Suspiciousness.
Hi there!
Oh!
And welcome to Indigo Park!
Hi!
The world's most innovative and engaging family fun experience! Jump into the world of your favorite character. Wait! You're our first guest in 2,920 days, 4 hours, 23 minutes, and 38 seconds.
Jesus.
Congratulations! I'm Rambly the raccoon.
Hi, Rambly.
It's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is the most fun it can be. Just hop on over to the registration center to your left, where our friendly assistant will help you begin your adventure in the park.
Oh my god, he's cute. Okay. Press E to interact. Okay, I can't interact with nothing there. can't go there, so I assume we have to go back. I don't understand how to get out of here. Squeeze me? Oh, there it goes. Okay.
Raccoon. And it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is registered. Let me just get good.
Oh, hello.
Don't seem to have your face in our guest list. Is this your first time here at the park?
It
Or
is.
did you just get plastic surgery? No worries. It's Rambly Tuesday, so you qualify for a big discount on your visit. Just follow me to the main gate. Ooh, I can't wait for you to see everything Indigo Park has to offer.
Oh my god. I love you, Rambly. Oh. This one was not here before, was it? I don't think it was. I'll have to play that back, because I'm pretty sure that little dude was not there. Alright, Rambly, main gate. Where you at?
What's the holdup? The gate is open. Head on into the entryway.
Gate is not open.
Hold on. My mistake. The gate is not open.
Yeah.
There seems to be an error message being sent from the gate's power unit. Lucky you! You get to be the first person to try our turn on the generator mini Rambly venture. Have fun!
Alright, so we have power box. We all know that we have to follow the line. Fucking back into this thing. Excuse me. Aww.
Violet compact power generator. It seems to be inoperable. Looks like it's missing a piece. Can you find it?
Alright, so we need to find a wheel. Ba ba ba! Found it. We're amazing. Yeah, baby. Power on. Beautiful. Okay. Thought I seen something. Never mind. Let's go back in.
Okay, for real this time. Welcome to Indigo Park.
Wow. Tis okay. Oh, that's cute. Press F to toggle flashlight. Like I said, we're gonna keep it on because it is a horror game. Oh, hey. Look at this. Oh, it's a little macaw plushie. That's cute. Can I see what they are? No? Okay. Wranglers only. I guess we can't go in any of these. Oh my god, they're so cute.
Oh, silly Rambly.
Hi.
Every guest needs a critter cuff. That will allow you access to reserved areas, charge payments to your room, and wear a critter cuff. I think there's some in the gift shop. Head in there and I'll get you set up.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Look at... Oh my god. I want to collect all of them. Y'all, I am not even joking. When these little... If these plushies ever become a real thing, I want one.
Here you
So
go,
fucking
buddy.
bad.
Your very own critter cuff.
Look at that.
A new way to interact with the park that also doubles as a pedometer, heart monitor, and mood ring. Data disclosure agreement included.
And the monitor just died. Look at that! Ah! I love it! That's so cute. Okay. So So now we have our little critter cuffy doodad.
Uh-oh, the door mysteriously locked.
Oh no,
Why
Rambly.
not test out your band and save the day?
Whatever shall we do? Are these keychains? Oh my god. Look at how cute everything is. Love it. Okay. So we put our band on there. Sweet.
Hooray! Great work, buddy.
Thanks.
Try entering the park, and we can start our Indigo adventure.
Can't wait. Let's run. Okay. Wow. That's so cool. Alright, so we know there's collectibles, so I'm just gonna walk around for a minute and kind of see if I could find any. Indigo Park concessions. Nope, nothing. What does that say? Bird up? That's cute. Nothing? Okay. I guess we'll just go in here. There's really nowhere else to go. We were like standing right there. We could have been squished. Men's restroom. Alright, cool. I assume the first episode is probably going to be pretty... hopefully pretty lax as far as stuff. Cool, I found another collectible. Wow, okay, so come meet Finley at Oceanic Odyssey. Okay. All aboard Releas. Oh, a train. Okay, cool. And then Mollie McCaw's rooftop races. Ah, that looks so much fun. Oh my god. Alright, where are you at? There you are.
Buddy. Looks like the park is going through some renovations.
What?
For the inconvenience, your Rambly Tuesday discount will be 3% off. Why not celebrate this great deal with a ride on my railroad? To test your sleuthing skills, I'll let you find this one all by yourself.
I assume it's going to be down here, where it says Rambly's Railroad. But thanks, sweetheart. You're a peach. Guess we go this way?
Facial data suggests you may be a bit older than the target audience for this ride, but it's one of my favorites. Do you know why Rambly the raccoon loves Rambly's Railroad?
Why?
Because I like trains.
Okay. Because I like trains. Hey, that works, buddy. That works. We can't skip the queue line? That's fucking stupid. Alright, let's just run. All the way around. Middle seat just for us. Beautiful. Alright, let's do it. Yay, song time. Rambly's Railroad.
I'm Conductor Rambly.
Oh, hey! You're just a happy little dude, ain't ya?
Oh, look, it's Mollie McCaw.
It's Mollie McCaw, the greatest pilot you ever saw.
Oh, I love
Sure
her.
are, Moll. Why, you only crashed into 6 bars this week.
I'm not crashing, Rambly. I'm barnstorming.
What's barnstorming?
Crashing with style. It barely hurts at all. Say, those young adventurers you got along with you look like great pilots.
Oh, I thank you, Molly.
Flying in my ride. Rooftop races.
Admission included with your critter costume.
Oh, that sounds like so much fun. Ooh, interesting. We're not stopping for that one? Okay.
Oh, Finley, come on out and greet the people.
Hi, Rambly.
Aww.
Why the long face and body?
You've known me for 100 years, Rambly. I'm always long because I'm always longing for a new seashell for my collection.
Oh, Finley, you should come out of your shell.
How about you come into it instead? My ride, Oceanic Odyssey, will teach you all about the wonders down under the deep blue sea. It's as blue as me.
Oh my gosh.
I hope you'll visit. I'm so lonely.
Oceanic Odyssey currently closed for repairs.
Oh. What? Y'all heard that, right? What the fuck? Alright. So he's all janked up. What is this? It's a skunk. Alright, get the ride back up and running. Gotcha. That's fucking freaky. Oh, fucking cogs. 1 cog. 2 cogs. Cool. Alright, bird. I'll see you later, probably. Shit. The fuck? Go this way. Alright. The fuck back on this ride. Yay, we did it. Aw, hello.
Hey there, Lloyd.
You don't like Lloyd?
That common folk name. I am the proud, the prestigious, the professional Lloydford L. Lyon, actor extraordinaire.
I love his style.
Of course it was.
Wait. We're just gonna bypass the lion? I wanted to hear him roll his R's some more, because that was pretty epic. Aw, that's it. God damn it. Alright.
So, what do you think?
Oh, it's pretty awesome.
Tell me
Hell
all
yeah!
about my friends.
Love it. Oh, and Lloyd. Okay, so he does not like Lloyd, which is understandable. Alright, let's see what we got. We got some shirts that look like the raccoon. Got some more plushies, some little doodads up top. Earpieces. Oh my god. I hope we get to go on that. Why is the clock being all fucking crazy? Look at that. That's cool. Screenshot worthy. Beautiful. That is so cool. Alright, alright, let's try to see if there's any collectibles in this area, I guess, before we make our way to the next little area. Nothing? Okay. Nothing. 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 Oh, rude ass shit. There's nothing here. First, I do want to check around this main area before we look at the little buildings. Wow, this game is so cool. I'm getting a lot of what is that? Poppy Playtime and oh, what was that other one that was kind of the similar type of game? There was another one. I forget. I can't remember the name of it. My brain is not working today. That is so cool. Okay, let's see. There's a cafe. Alright. Ugh, moldy cookies. Oh. That's cool. I don't really want to go see if that door's open. I freaked out a little bit.
Buddy, come over here.
Oh. Yeah? What's up?
This here is an information kiosk. If there's anything around the park you want to ask me about, just stop by here and I'll ramble on about it.
Lord. Let's see. Souvenir cup, Finley plush. I love aquariums and fish, but the size of him always made me feel uneasy as a kid. Mollie plush. I remember when Mom took us to the parks one summer. Her favorite was always Mollie. Aw, Rambly plush. Aw. That's cute. Okay, cool. So we can check out the toys and stuff. Nice, nice. Ooh. Oh. Interesting. Okay. What does the kiosk say about this one?
Wow, is that a limited edition gold Rambly plush? Parents were fighting tooth and nail for those things when they came out.
Jeez.
Seriously, our employees had to clean up so many stray teeth and nails.
Ugh.
Hard to believe there was all that demand for a regular Rambly plush we just blasted with gold spray paint.
Hey, it worked though. You got a crazy amount of money probably for that thing. Alright. So we need to go this way?
Now look at that! You're at Jetstream Junction! Oops! Looks like Jetstream Junction's being tuned up. Last I checked, there's a security office in the back of the theater. Maybe a friendly wrangler can help you get in!
Orange level access granted. Okay, so we can't get into there. Let's go back towards the main area because there was this big building this way. Yep. Lloyd's Main Stage Theater. Okay. I guess we don't really have a choice. We have to go through this. Use a bracelet. Sweet. Alright, let's go on in. Ooh. Oh my god. I think that's Lloyd sleeping on stage. Hello? Wow. He's fucking huge, you guys. OMGG. Okay. Lloyd? Hello? He just went backstage. Really? Do we have to follow him? Fuck. I think we have to follow him. Son of a bitch. I don't really want to, but yeah, we're gonna do it. Lloyd? Where'd you go, buddy? Rambly?
Hey, buddy. I've got eyes all over the park, but I can't see anything behind the stage. If you're going back there, be careful. Your critter cuff is not yet able to resuscitate you.
Hold on. Run that by me again. It can resuscitate me. Great. Now that I've played that, now I'm uncomfortable. Okay. I guess we'll go back here then, since this is the way we have to go. I'm sure this is the way he went. Ooh, I can hear him. I hear him in here somewhere. Damn! Oh, he sounds so big. I don't like that. I assume we probably just have to run to the back. I think we're gonna take it a little slow because I don't really know where he is. Lloyd. Nice kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh my god. What the fuck is going on? Yeah. You suck. Actually, his model's really cool. Okay, I'm just gonna run because he might chase me. And that's fucking scary. Oh, hi. Oh, this way? Cool. Alright, so he didn't chase us. Oh, here's a key. I think. Yeah. Beautiful. Lloyd? Anything in these lockers that we can get? No? Can't have a cup of joe? Nothing to eat? Nothing? Okay. Alright, I guess we have to make it back. I don't really know where he is, though. I assume he's probably trapped behind there. So we're just gonna go ahead and run. Oh, I think he knows we're here. Go, 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 go. Okay, let's get out of here. Whoa. Yeah, that's right. Is our cuff making that noise? Okay. Good deal. Mollie? I think that was Mollie. Alright, it's time to go. If that was Mollie McCaw, then it's definitely time to go. Dude, she's scary looking. Oh, fuck. That's crazy. Alright. Back out of here, just in case. Don't want nothing sneaking up on me. Alright. So now that we have the key... Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, that's cool. Everything is like super well lit now. I wonder if we can get a better view of the park now that everything is lit up. Oh my god, that is so cool. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay. So now that power is restored, sort of, kinda. Nice, nice, beautiful. Okay. Now we can go to Jetstream Junction. Nothing to say? Alright. Cool. Damn, this game is so fun. I am loving it. Definitely Poppy playtime vibes. For sure.
Say, why don't you check out Mollie's rooftop races? It's not far from here, and it's a great warm-up before we get into the bigger rides. Just take it up at Mollie's landing pad.
Oh. Yeah, he didn't see. I mean, he must have seen what Lloyd was because he was back there where Lloyd ran past. But he doesn't have anything to say about that. Wow. That's cool. Oh my god, that's really cool. Alright, so Mollie's garage. That's cool. I really want to look around because I feel like there's cool stuff hidden. Even though, you know, we're supposed to kind of be on our toes, I think it's relatively safe at the moment. More cups. It's an arcade. Alright, so I think we gotta go up, right? Rooftop races. On this side? I know that's an up, but I kind of want to look around. God damn, that's so cool. Oh. Hey. Oh, that's cool. Another little collectible thingy. I guess more up. Yeah, rooftop races. Oh.
No,
Or not.
this is horrible. Looks like Mollie crashed into the ride again. Don't worry though, your pal Rambley has the repairman on speed dial.
Oh, I'm sure you do.
We're sorry. The number you have dialed has been disconnected or is no longer in service. Please check the number
Rude.
and dial again.
Say, why don't you check out Mollie's landing pad? It's not far from here, and it's a great cool down after that exhilarating ride. Just take a down from Mollie's rooftop races.
Okay, so we can't do the ride. That's a bummer. I guess we'll just go down. Yeah, down. Gotcha, gotcha. Landing pad. Oh my god, this is cute! Look at that. That's cute. That's cute as shit. I love that. Oh my god. Are you serious right now? Alright, so there's 5. Oh. Ooh, I don't like that. I don't fucking like that at all. Alright, I guess we have to? Mollie? Okay. Yeah, that was her. Mollie? The fuck are you doing? Don't do that shit. Hate that crap. Orange. Circle. Crap, I have to write this shit down. I'm gonna forget. Orange. Circle. Oh, okay, I know where I'm at. Alright, go this way, I guess? Now I'm getting fucking security breach vibes. Okay, red star. Shit. Red star. Oh. Okay, green triangle. I think there's, what, one more? Okay, blue star. Blue star, okay. So now we have all 4 of those. So now we can get out of here, bucker. Hate that goddamn shit. Okay. So this is gonna be fun. Alright, so blue star. Bitch ass bird. Orange circle. This is obviously yellow, but whatever. Green triangle, red star. Okay. Whew. Alright, let's go for it. Let's do it. We gotta probably run away from her, I'm guessing. Alright, we can get rid of my piece of paper and my pen that I'm going to stab myself with, probably. Okay. Let's go up. I literally have no idea what that opened. Oh. This way? Big door? Big door? Opens? No! Ah! Oh! I hear her in that fucking vent. Shut up. Banging music! Woo! Yeah, baby. Oh. I don't know what she's saying. Da-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na. Oh my god. Dude, the soundtrack is so good. I'm just running. Go, go, go. Got it. Run, run, run. Oh my god, run. Do it, run, run, run. Lord have mercy, how long is this chase scene? Rambly, help.
Ah, there you are, buddy.
Rambly!
Wait, hold on. This one's staff only.
Rambly!
Come on in, new staff.
Thank you, help! Rambly! Wow. Rambly.
To the Rambley's Wranglers registered room.
The fuck,
We have
man?
Plenty of amenities and I can see in your facial tracking that you're scary, upset.
Yes.
Transparency is an important part of our policy here at Indigo Park, so we gotta step out something. The park has been inactive for years.
Yeah.
Employees stopped showing up. Guests too. I just was so excited to see a visitor. I wanted to be sure you were getting the best experience possible.
Aw, sweetie.
It's been flying through the entrance for so long. I didn't realize just how much disrepair the park is full.
That's okay. It's not a waste. My heart rate is elevated.
But I have an idea.
All
I
right.
have access to the repair documentation in my database. I just can't execute most tasks without authorization from a human user. You must have come here because the park matters to you too, right? Would you be willing to help me restore the park?
Yeah, let's do it.
I can see in your facial tracking data that you aren't opposed to this. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's get this place back in business.
Let's do it. I do have questions though. Why is her head bleeding? Yep.
Okay, welcome to the crew, Rookie Wrangler. Register. Your first official job as one of Rambley's Wranglers, register, is to get out of the Rambley's Wranglers register room. Head left towards the Rookie Wrangler register security room to set yourself free.
I.
Kind of exhausting to say that whole spiel. But Rambley's Wranglers register is a registered trademark. That expired yesterday.
Oh my god, you poor thing. Alright. So, that takes care of one. Mascot, I think. I think she is pretty much dead.
Uh-oh, that Rambley's Wranglers room is only accessible by Royal Wranglers. Maybe one day you'll grow up big and strong enough to enter it. But for now, don't.
Okay, fine. I'll just go this way then. I know when I'm not wanted in a room. I didn't want to go in there anyway. So there. Oh, okay. More, 5 Nights at Rambley's? Please, God, don't let somebody make that a game. That's so cool, though. Alright, so he was basically monitoring us. Mostly throughout the whole park. Cool. I think I have a feeling we're pretty safe, I would think. What is... oh. Another flyer. Oh, yes, the sweet outdoors. Beautiful. Alright. Let's go ahead and check what we got. A poodle plush. It's a weird poodle plush. It doesn't seem to be an Indigo product. Maybe a child left it behind. Okay. A Rambly head. I'm kind of glad they retired these. Ugh, definitely freaky. Alright, and Retro Lloyd plush. Alright, so we're missing 2. Not quite sure where they would be. I mean, stuff tends to change a lot. Nope, can't pick that up. Ooh. Oh, Oceanic Odyssey. Okay, cool.
Wow, you made it to Oceanic Odyssey. You're doing a great job, Rookie Wrangler.
Cool. Look at that. Oh, wow. I like how the glass has, like, smudges and tiny imperfections. That's cool.
You'll find a potpourri of porpoises, pickerels, and perches as far as the eye can see. Please don't tap the glass. Really know what.
Hold on. Wait. Y'all seen that, right? You guys seen that?
Hey, buddy.
What the fuck?
You okay? You look kind of tired.
I'm exhausted.
Do you need a moment? Don't worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for taking a rest after all that. Heck, I could go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself. But
This is a great first chapter, you
for a
guys.
little survey to help us improve the park.
Let's do it.
Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Hope all your dreams came true.
An outro song.
Time and you're up for a lark. Stick around for the Rambly review. I'm here to offer my best to each valuable guest I assist. And lots of happy feedback ensures I get to exist. Were you satisfied with the ride?
Yes.
Or no? Were you satisfied with your guide?
Hell yeah.
Do you plan to come back? Will I see you again? Did your experience convince you to tell a friend about us? Did I earn your trust? At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark,
Love it.
and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. That is, if you want to keep going.
Yes, I do.
Idea! I know all of this isn't fair to you. It's an awful lot to ask. But here comes Rambly Review Part 2 to sell you on our task. I'm here to view and assess each valuable guest as I learn. And lots of happy feedback ensures you're gonna return. Right, I'm so happy you rode by and saw the show. I'm so happy to be your guide. More than you know. So come back anytime. I'd love to see you again. In all my thousands of days, I've never had a friend like you.
Aww.
At least I hope I do. At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. Till all my old friends are united again, and I won't feel so left behind.
Aww.
Okay, I'll let you go. See you next time, buddy.
Bye.
Please.
Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh, I can't get over it. No, stop. That's so cute. Ah. Beautiful. That is so cool. Oh, I love it. Yes. There better be a chapter 2, you guys. Because that's awesome. Wow. Okay, so that was chapter 1 of Indigo Park. Great. I love it. Yeah, this is going to be good. Probably way better than Poppy Playtime. Which I did think about playing, but then I was like, you know. Nah. But this, I can get behind this. Rambly and I, we're going to be buds. Because foxes and raccoons can get along, right? I assume so. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed chapter 1. Please, please, please let me know what you think about it down in the comments. Let me know if you've seen those last 2 collectibles that I missed and where they were so I can run back and grab those off camera, because you know me. It's an OCD problem, you guys. No idea. But thank you so much for joining me on this adventure. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will look forward to seeing you all in chapter 2. Thanks so much. Bye.